This initial solution will show you how to fix message status fail on Instagram. The Instagram message status fail error is caused by a short-term access restriction by artificial intelligence as a result of the account behaving suspiciously. For example, spamming likes or comments may result in a temporary ban on the Instagram account. By accessing the Instagram account with VPN, you can get access restriction by Instagram artificial intelligence for a short time due to suspicious behavior. Now let's see how you can fix this Instagram message status fail error problem. The first method is don't use any third-party software. Using a third-party software will cause your account to be blocked by Instagram. If Instagram Plus, Instagram Lite, etc. If you have used applications and logged into your account may have been restricted for a short time. So don't use any third-party software to use your Instagram. And the second method is use an older version of Instagram. Software problems in the new version can cause us to encounter various errors like this. We can fix the bug by getting the old version so that we can fix the software problems in the new version. So first of all, you have to download the older version. To do that, go to your browser and type here older version of Instagram and then open the first link, and here you will get older versions of Instagram. So you can download any of them from here. Once you download it, install it on your device and then log in into your account and hope it will fix the problem. And the third solution is reinstall the app. The problem that occurs in the application can cause us to encounter various problems like this. We may need to reinstall the app for us to fix in-app errors. Completely uninstall the Instagram app from your device to reinstall the app. Run the Google Play and App Store application, then type Instagram in the search screen and check if the problem persists by reinstalling the application. So follow these methods to fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.